The best in Google innovation in an A-series phone. Introducing the Google Pixel 7a. Built to perform and priced just right. It does things you didn't know phones could do. It fixes things you didn't know phones could fix. Let's start with the camera. Pixel 7a actually sees in the dark, taking stunning pictures in the lowest lighting conditions with night sight. It sees what could have been, fixing photos taken on any device, even photos taken a long time ago, with photo unblur. It gets you close with super res zoom, taking things out of your photos. It's as easy as tap, tap, gone with Magic Eraser. With long exposure, a series of photographs are stitched together to make movement look like silk. And with Real Tone, skin tones are accurately and beautifully represented. The Pixel 7a was custom built with Google's most advanced AI to make Pixel not only super smart, but also super helpful, and to make everything run fast, smooth, efficient. Including the battery, which can last up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver. All the while, the things you do online stay hidden. Your data stays safe and sound. Your phone and everything on it is secure. Automatically screens calls, so you only answer the ones you want. Filters intrusive sounds by eliminating background noises and voices. For the voices you need to hear, it translates them, becoming your own personal interpreter with Live Translate. Making images, conversations, texts in foreign languages clear. Featuring scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass and IP67 water protection, Pixel 7a is beautifully designed to handle water and dust. Transfer all of your old phone's data wirelessly, seamlessly. Sync with the entire Google Pixel portfolio, featuring Google Pixel Buds, Pixel Watch, and more. Google Pixel 7a, the only phone with all that, finally available on the A-series. Engineered by Google.
Relics. The stepping stones to our future. What is this power? A distant origin, but not all lines follow the same current. Marvels of engineering. Where does the power come from? What is its purpose? How can one object hold so much power? Capture so much beauty? A projection of dominance. What does it show? A power so elemental, it's sculpted from nature. What is this power? OnePlus 11, the shape of power.
Meet Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Engineered by Google with AI controlled by you. On video, you get Video Boost for a smoother view. Night sight in the dark. Less distracting audio. In Real Tone, so so you look like you. It does amazing things, so you can capture the cosmos, create the right light, zoom in, make the mini mega. Or swap this, and yeah, that too. Nice. Photos made perfect with a tap. Want more control? Shoot with pro-level tools modeled after DSLR controls. Or reimagine an image with Magic Editor from Google Photos. While you're out there taking great pics, Titan M2, Tensor G3, and a built-in VPN help keep your info secure. And Safety Check has your back. Turn it on. Then we'll text emergency contacts if you can't tap in. And cool, you're home. It doesn't just keep you safe, it saves you time. Summarizing web pages, screening calls, even holding for you. It'll make you wonder, can a phone be made of magic? Nope, it's AI. And
hey, what's new?
What's new? Galaxy S23 Ultra.
Nice.
Not just nice, the display automatically adjusts color and contrast to the content and surroundings. It's called Vision Booster.
Okay.
Watch this.
Whoa! Can you even drive this thing?
Look, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy.
Increasing GPU, CPU, NPU.
We've got the most powerful processor on Samsung Galaxy.
Stop, stop, stop! Whoa!
Can't stop. This processor is more efficient, so I can keep going.
Hey, you're underwater?
Sir, focus! Galaxy S23 Ultra was designed with a Hornet in mind. See, 20% recycled ocean-wearing plastic, 22% recycled glass, and 80% PET film.
This is the perfect place for astrophotography with Expert RAW.
Expert who?
Just wait and see.
Look at you with your fancy pen.
It's the S Pen. So mighty, I can use it to adjust color curve, exposure with absolute precision. Here, let's take a selfie.
Here? Now?
Yeah, scanitography. With AI object-aware engine that recognizes details like skin, eyebrows, hair.
Can you send me that?
Done.
Hey, where's your sled?
Don't need one. It's more fun filming you with nightography. Galaxy S23 Ultra got 2 times wider OIS and improved AI for more stable night videos.
You took that?
That is 200 megapixels of epic detail. So I can pinch, crop, scale, however I like.
Where are you taking me now?
Here.
That was epic.
Hey, what's new?
You've got to check this out.